Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're from. This won't be a very long video. I made this bookmark a long time ago. And I never painted it in, and I started painting it in, and I'm like, huh, I could maybe paint it in on video. So here we go. We're just gonna add some little bit of color. Just a few different blues. And it could be any kind of bird you think you want it to be. Put some black in there. Yeah. Make it a little darker. We're gonna call this our bluebird, and we're gonna have to put some teal in there too, because, yeah, put some teal down here. Lighten that up. That. Now, over the years that I've been painting and learning, there's a certain way I like to do my painting. And I like leaving white spaces. White spaces are good. Because they gives it a little dimension. Yeah. Well, we're starting out with this blue, but we're going to be adding more to this little bluebird. We're going to go with some Havana ochre, some of my homemade watercolor paints. They take a little minute to lighten up. We'll just put them in there. Anyways, instead of just doing this out and about here, I thought it would be kind of nice to share with you. I have artwork, different artwork from different things that I've done, and it hangs around and then it gets painted and nobody ever sees it, which is fine. I mean, you don't have to see everything, and you don't have to show everything that you do. Just enjoy all the little differences that you have. And I'm gonna give him an orange beak. And yes, I'm using my to-go tin, which this all fits together like that, to go. If you put the pins in properly. Yeah. And orange beak. I don't know where everybody's from, but I know that here in Minnesota, it's like 7 degrees. So, yeah, cold, very cold. Let's see if I got this. Oh, yeah, these are the colors that are in this palette. And you've seen that one already. Some of the... I love a book that I can still have... I still have something to do in them. Yeah. Houses. That's not the one I was looking for, but maybe it's this one. Nope, that's not that one either. That's okay. The one I was looking for is not around. We need cerulean blue. And what we're going to do with cerulean blue is we're just going to give it a hint of a blue sky, because the bird is so blue. We don't want to put a lot of blue sky in there. Yeah. And we need those green leaves. You don't want your paints to touch each other when they're wet, because they will run into each other. So that's why I'm being very careful with the blue sky next to it. But we don't need to put a lot of color in this. We'll just do like that. And like that. And I see there's some sheep or something down in this by the barn, and we're gonna call it a barn because yes, it's gonna be red. Like that. And then add some splotches to it. That makes it fun and interesting. And this is going to, this bookmark is going to be given to a friend of mine. So yeah, and there you are. A beautiful bookmark. Everybody have a great day. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.